And welcome folks to the Arduino weather station setup. And here we can see the Arduino connected to all the sensors, the wind sensors, photo sensors, thermometer, hygrometer, and we're going to collect the data, capture it, and give a statistical analysis. Not all sensors can deal with the elements, so you gotta give them protection. And here we have the Arduino code. And as you can see, it's got a lot of libraries that are included into it. Everything is basically with all sensors taken into consideration. So quite a lot, and you have to upload that to the Arduino circuit board, and then go to the terminal, type in Minicom, and here you've got all of the data getting collected. It'll do a run check for the circuit board and connectors, and then it'll start collecting all the data. As you can see, the visual light, the infrared, ultraviolet, the temperatures, wind speed, and there's also an average for the temperature at the very end, which will float a certain number of variables that the Arduino board will keep, only about 200, so you'll have to reset the Arduino circuit board like at least once a day, depending upon how frequently you're going to be collecting data. And so here, if you press the Control A and Z, we can go ahead and write a data file to collect the data. In which case I'm just going to say weather station log.txt. You'll need an extension, and it'll only start collecting the data, or capturing the data, at the point that you create the file. So we'll just have to reset the Arduino circuit board, which you do that by pressing the button. And that'll be done. And it should then... There we go. Now we can start with the data and the header in sync. Now the file that you get will be saved at a particular location. I've chosen the home folder. So we'll grab about maybe 2 more sets of data here, and I will quit out and show you the captured data file. So this will finish. Once again, we go into the control panel, press X, quit, yes, and now we'll go to the home file folder. There we are. The weather station log will open with a spreadsheet of LibreOffice. That'll be down here. Open up, and that's fine. And here we can see all the data. Like I said, the previous data is not in sync because we began capturing it when we started the file. But the 4 below are here and intact. You can see that it's more or less, yeah, in sync, except for the wind direction. It kind of got pushed aside, but you can see that you get the southeast for that, and then the maximum temperature and average temperature. But you can also just do basic spreadsheet functions for finding things like the average. We'll do that here. So wind speed, we'll say equals the average, and just select all the cells we want to include in the calculation with, yep, like that. Now, of course, we're going to get 10.94 because that's all that the value is for that column. So let's just do the wind input so that we can at least get something, you know, a little bit different. And we'll just do this what we did before. Typing it in, average, and select. And there we go. And that's how you can keep record of the weather over a very long period of time. And this is Photography of Avish signing out.